Hannah and Katrina Velarde. Let's go. Birthday pala ni Hannah recently. So, parang ito yung prod for it. Ang ganda. Look ko. Celine Dion. Love her diction.
Where she walks away, and you know I'll be standing still. I'll be
nice, wow.
Here inside my heart, I'm the one who's to love you more. Somewhere all the love that we have can be saved. Whatever it takes, we'll find
Nice.
a way.
Very open siya dun, no? Sa high note. Ang linis kumanta ni Hannah. Ganda yun. Baka birthday girl yan.
There were days when the sun was so cool
Ay, grabe yung Katrina B.
that all the tears turned to dust, and I just knew my eyes were drying up.
Hindi nagpatalo yung Katrina, sinasabi ko sa inyo. Maganda rin.
I finished crying in the instant that you left, and I can't remember when or when I had.
Ayun lang.
And I vanished
Agility
every
ba?
memory you and I had ever made.
Buti ng boses na yun. Crossover ng dalawang songs. Grabe yun. Hannah ka. Sasabi ko sa'yo. Ang taas. Concentration dapat. Ay, grabe siya. Taas. Saan kami lulugar, be? Ang taas ng boses yung dalawa. Mga halimaw kayo. Grabe kayo. All by myself yung last song. Saan ang hostisya dito, guys, ha?
All by myself.
Ang linis ng boses, eh. Grabe.
Don't wanna be all by myself.
Detail. Yun lang. Yun lang. Lagot. Inakyat mo sa dulo.
Don't wanna live by myself anymore.
Ay, yun lang. Grabe yung runs niya, no?
By myself. Don't wanna live by myself anymore. By
Harmony?
myself anymore. By myself
Bakit? Oh my gosh. Sira ulo ba kayong dalawa? Ha? Mataas na yung dulo, be. Hinarmonize pa. Hindi ko nga malaman sino nag-harmonize kasi sobrang medyo magkatimbre na rin sila dun sa dulo. Ganyan si Katrina. Actually, mga Divas of the Kingdom na mga singers, when they sing together, parang malilito kasi nung kumakanta ng ano. Kasi parang nagmamatch sila ba? They meet halfway. Hindi yung parang masyadong distinct yung boses nila pag nag-group singing sila or duet. So, maganda yun. As singers, kailangan meron tayong bumagay na hindi tayo talagang nananapaw or anything. So, ito yung nangyari dito. Kaya nakakalito kung sino yung kumanta ng harmony part. Pero, I want to make it clear na both of them can actually hit that note, yung harmony. Kasi they've been to that note before na. They've been hitting even G5, A5. So, whoever did it, Magaling sila pareho and nakakatuwa lang dahil parang walang kupas, walang talo dito, puro nag-shine. So thank you TikTok Clock for this prod. Nakakatuwa dahil mga halimaw yung mga kinukuha niya talaga. And thank you sa mga fans nila for tagging me to this video. And see you guys again next time, okay? Thank you, bye!
Tayo ko sa